Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to cancel a meeting on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, as you can tell by the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to the user how to create a meeting. We have a notification on screen that is informing us that the meeting itself is overdue. What we want to do is cancel this meeting. So what we will do is close a reminder, dismiss all. Let's now go within our calendar on the bottom left corner of the screen. And there we have the meeting. We can either right click, cancel the meeting, or we can double click on this and then cancel. So let's send cancellation. That meeting itself has been cancelled. If we go back and now go back to the calendar, you can now see that the meeting is no longer available. The recipient who has received the email for the invitation for this meeting will now have received an email to inform them that the meeting itself has been cancelled. Let's go back to our email. Let's now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.